Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to be testing the Neewer hands-free solution that is going to make it easier for you to film yourself and keep your hands free. At the moment I have only one hand free and I'm filming myself with the other. But what this device does is it actually allows you to clamp it to your neck and record yourself while walking. When I'm walking normally, I'm not trying to dampen my stride or anything, I'm just walking as if I would normally walk. This is a great solution, I think, because if you're needing your hands free to take a backpack off, work with your camera, take some photos, you're taking video as well, and you're on vacation, you don't have time to do everything separately. You could do this all at once. The nice thing about this Pocket 3 is it's just following you around. Everywhere you walk, it just turns and directs itself towards the action. So that lets you actually do things with the other hand. Like, I have a phone, I could be taking photos with my phone. Different compositions. And I'm not even thinking that I'm recording video at the same time, because this is just doing its job around my neck here. I really like the solution. It's really simple. I think because it's mounted in the center of the chest here, it's actually affording the most stability to the device, because if you had this mounted on your head, it would be too much movement, I think. Everywhere you look, it would want to follow. Whereas because this is on your chest, you can kind of look left and then go left and the camera will follow, and look right and go right, and then eventually the camera follows. You don't get that jarring motion of the camera trying to follow your head movements. So again, hands-free, and you can be doing anything you want. This is actually the same route that I followed last time I did the snow video, the hoarfrost video. So it looks dramatically different in the summertime. Start of the summertime. We're still in June. There's still snow in the mountains. So here you can see what the device looks like mounted on my chest. And it's mounted via this little screw over here, which you can adjust up and down. So you can adjust the angle of this up and down to your liking, and then you just break it, like lock it back in there. On the back of the device there are two buttons. So one to release the neck support, and the other one is to release the quick release mechanism on this device itself. So you literally just rotate it and pull it off, and there it is, loose. So that's what it looks like loose. You can see at the back here it has this quick release that slots into this receptacle right over here on my neck. And there's another button that releases the neck device itself. So when you press that, you release that, you can see that entire thing comes off. So this is what it looks like off. And then you can attach it. And it attaches very, very securely in there. And once it's in there, it's locked. And literally, you have to release that in order. And it's metal. It seems to be some kind of malleable or adjustable metal with like a flat strap on the back of it. Very comfortable silicone coated neck strap. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so it's quite stable. And you can see here's the quick release system. Now, it comes with two of these quick release systems. So one is designed for the Pocket 3, and the other one takes an action cam. It's a standard, like a GoPro mount. You can see the adjustable system over here. Just clicks on. And there we have it. So I'm not sure if I'm actually still recording. I think I am, yeah. Okay. So you can see that just sits in the center there. Real easy. Hands-free solution. I really, really like it. you can be demonstrating something using both your hands. If you're a tutor or if you're a technician and you're on site and you're needing to demonstrate something, you could be using both your hands. I'm going to try to walk a little bit more stably, see if I can bend my knees and do the ninja walk. See if I still get that bouncing up and down. I saw there was a little bit of bouncing up and down when I reviewed the footage. This is me trying to walk very, very smoothly, kind of like a Tesla robot. And this is me just walking normally. So with walking normally, you're going to get a little bit of bounce. Maybe just don't run the footage too long. Maybe you're not needing to walk when you're using this device. Maybe you're just needing to show something in front of you. I think that's mainly what my use is going to be out of it. So think you're on vacation and you just have the strap to your chest and maybe you have a backpack on and you're walking around with your family. You don't even have to think about it. You could just walk and talk and show things, demonstrate things. So I just ran into a bird photographer back there, and she says that that sound that we're hearing, that call, is called it's a bird called a sora, and that's quite interesting. I've never seen that one before. Apparently, it's quite elusive. You know, so I just can't get over how great it is not to be holding the Pocket 3. Walking around like this hands-free really is so convenient.